hindered myself a great deal on how I show up for things.
Clearest that I've had on my purpose.
This has given me an insight to dig deeper and push forth so I can do the hard work and make things happen instead of allowing things to happen.
I'm here to help people.
What I experienced here was Wynn's way of getting inside you to be able to get the best out of you.
Look good, feel good, enjoy themselves in front of the camera.
It really gets you thinking about, where you are in your business and your life.
I'm going to use some of the things that we talked about here.
Set goals, and you got to day by day work toward those goals.
For setting goals and achieving them,
But you got to have the goals.
and do whatever I can do to make that happen.
Enjoy themselves and find out that they are an artist.
What's happened to this point in your life and where you are 100% responsible for that. It's nobody else's fault or to blame. The law of personal responsibility, which is a subsidiary of cause and effect, tells us that we are 100% accountable for everything in our life. There are 5 different areas of your life. To what area of my life will I apply the new learning? Focus in and say, what's the biggest burning thing with me right now as I walked in the door? Focus. Where your focus goes, your energy grows. And anytime you take one area of your life and you begin to expand and grow that, guess what?
You are a whole being. This is why we deal with all 5 areas of your life. And while you are 100% responsible for all of your outcomes, we don't do blame, shame, or guilt.
Truth does not. Common thinking is just that. It's for common people. You are uncommon because here you are. The purpose doesn't change. You don't suddenly not become, helpful to people who need to take a big thing and break it into pieces and then put it back together. Okay? But you may have a new experience that changes how your purpose shows up.
Fabulous workshop. I had been thinking I needed something to kind of reignite the fire, the passion for my business and just life goals in general. And January is a perfect time to do that. So when I saw this offer for Wynn's workshop, I jumped on it and have been looking forward to it. It was a little bit different than I thought it was going to be. It was a little more in-depth, I think, and general. I thought maybe it was going to be more about just our business and setting goals, and I thought I need some help just writing them down and getting them clear and focus and clarity, but it wasn't so much about that, but just really figuring out who we are as people and our purpose and our vision for our lives, and it all just goes hand in hand and together, so it really was even better than I thought it was going to be. So I'm thrilled that I came, and I'm ready to go back and really set down some concrete goals and get some clarity and move forward with my health and my life and my business and my family and relationships and everything that I want for myself in 2020.
I hope this peek at Purpose Vision Goals 2020 has inspired you to want to be in the room in 2021. You can find all the details about Purpose Vision Goals at our website right here below me. And you can even get on the information list for next year, so you can get all the inside scoop before we even offer the program. Be sure to check out our website, and we'll see you in 2021 for Purpose Vision Goals.